can't decide whether they're French or Channel Islands.
We can't see much, Will, but where on the map are we?
That's Guernsey, right there, and that's the Isle of Sark, right there.
I don't see much.
Yeah, no, neither do I, so that's why I'm holding a chart. Thick fog. Someone found us. We've got about 6 miles to get through this gap, and then 21 miles to the Cap de la Hague, which is on the corner there at the Alderney race, which is world famous for the 8-knot currents and overfalls, so plenty to go. Luckily the tide's with us.
I didn't quite know it was the evening. I think it's just a bit drizzly out here as we get closer to England, but I think we just had 4 knots of current under us and put about 2 miles on these guys in about half an hour. That might all come back, but at the moment we're out in front and we're having fun. We're going downwind. Feels like it's been forever since we've been going downwind doing 25 knots, so good fun, good day.
I think that coming down to this plane, that this sort of edge, jibing away from it because the current being stronger initially on the against, and then just taking our medicine basically.
Yeah.
It'll be daylight. Hopefully it'll be clearing, and we'll be able to just fast at zero do our business, taking it on the shore. When all this seems lost, we'll get spat through and we'll get 6 hours, perhaps a little more, of current getting us across the shallows, which is tricky. And then we'll get, after that, get into the sea breeze.
I'm happy.
Good. I mean, it's going to be hard work.
Yeah.
We've done hard work so far, and we just need to stick with it.
Yeah, I agree.
Abu Dhabi, Vestas and SCA.
With us to the south.
Yeah. I guess in reality, they're 11 miles behind, closest, and then got Mapfre, Brunel, and Dongfeng to the north.
Oh.
They will always should do better in the first bit. If they're not doing well now, then it's a complete failure on that side. So once we get round, you ask me once we're around Cape Brunei, and then we'll have an idea until that time. So we've got 30 miles of pain, while they should have 30 miles of ease, and then we'll see.